some more beautiful men's sweaters here from Free Assembly at Walmart. This one right here is $24. I'll go ahead and make sure that I link it. This is very nice, a nice weight on it and beautiful color. It's very nice in person. I'll go ahead and link it for you. This is a fire jacket from Free Assembly here at Walmart. It's $42. I'll go ahead and link this for you. I don't see any other colors, but this one is fine for me. I would wear this, okay? This is a small. I would literally rock. This is beautiful. Nice cuffs on the end like that, but this is for your man. Go ahead and get it for him. They've got the button-ups on deck here, Free Assembly here at Walmart, okay? If you haven't checked this brand out, they have some pretty nice things here. I see tons of different types of button-ups that you can get for the season that honestly can take you into this next year. If your man's working a corporate job or something like that, or just likes to dress up in this type of way, they have tons of different things here. I'll go ahead and link as much as possible for you, but you can see a couple of different designs. They got it stacked in here, so I can't pull it out. We have these jogger pants styles here from Free Assembly. They're cargo pants, my bad. They're cargo pants and they're $22. I'll go ahead and link these for you. It has a really nice elastic band on it, as well as they are nice and lightweight. I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pockets. Very nice. I'll go ahead and link this for you, as well as some other colors I see. I'm here at Walmart checking out Free Assembly, and they have some really nice stuff here. This caught my eye because they have so much great stuff here that they don't have enough shelves to put it on, okay? So I have to show you. Now these pants right here, I'll go ahead and make sure that I link them for you, but this is a nice outfit that can be worn during the entire fall and winter season. Go ahead and make sure you check out this little outfit set that I wanted to show you for your man. I'll have it linked for you. This vest is from Free Assembly here at Walmart. It's $28. This is so nice. It was hiding in the back. I don't know why. Y'all need to put this in the front. This is very nice, okay? Like, stop you in your tracks nice, okay? This feels amazing. You know what? It feels like one of those things on Amazon that has like the heating pads inside of it. One of those like heating jackets. It feels really nice. I'll definitely make sure that I link this for you. We have this very nice button-up polo type of shirt from Free Assembly here at Walmart, and this is $18. This is really nice, lightweight. It doesn't look like it's see-through, but you definitely have to wear something underneath it. I like this a lot. It's for men. I'll go ahead and link it. This is super cute. Stopped me in my tracks. I don't know how much this is. Button up? I think it might be $24. Let me see. 18. Okay. We have these and one slim fit jeans. Well, they're not jeans, they're pants. It's a slim fit. These are really nice for $24.98. Do you hear that? It's like that type of sound. So you are going to get that squeak squirt when you walk, but they have some. It's really nice though. I'm surprised if you can't hear it in my voice. I didn't know that N1 did this, but this is really nice. If you have a teen boy that doesn't care about logos, it's just very nice and subtle on here. It's not flashing N1 anywhere. So that's pretty nice. I like that. They also have a black here as well, and again it's $24.98. I'll go ahead and link it. This is the Athletic Works Slim Knit Pant. These are very nice and have a nice thick weight on them. Not too heavy, but that's pretty nice. It definitely have some breeze in there. You can get a little breeze in there, but this definitely stopped me in my tracks, especially for this color. These are $16.98. I'll go ahead and make sure that I link these. I like these a lot. Very nice with the pockets on the side. Do I see pockets in the back? I guess that would be the back because it's folded. But yeah, they also have black, this dark gray, a light gray as well. I'll make sure I link that. We have and one athletic shorts on sale here at Walmart, down from $12.98 to $7. I'm seeing a couple of different styles, like this one right here with this teal and gray. I'm also seeing this dark blue with light blue on it. That's very nice. I'll go ahead and link these as well. And I see a gray with the black stripe. I'll go ahead and link these for you. See-through? I don't see through you, but these are very nice. I like these. I'll go ahead and link that. Here we have some more of the athletic pants from Reebok here at Walmart. These colors are very nice. Like I said in my previous video, you could definitely get away with wearing these as some type of dress pant. That is very nice, actually. I like that a lot. It's a regular fit again, and then they have this nice blue. Very cute. So they have a black, a blue, and a gray. I'll go ahead and make sure that I link this. Here in the men's section at Walmart, we have a beautiful wall full of the most cozy and comfortable fleece crew neck sweaters that you will ever find, okay? And I'm seeing nothing but $10.98. So I will go ahead and make sure that I link every single color and variation that you see right here directly on this video for you to shop in the convenience of your own home. We have some of these men's pocket tees for $7.98 here at Walmart. We have some crew neck tees that look like this, that neck lining. These are the men's pocket tees. It says that, but it's not. They kind of all look like crew neck shirts, and these are $7.98. I'll go ahead and link that. We have these Reebok athletic jackets here at Walmart for $24. Super cute, looking like a basketball coach. Okay, and let's not even get started about basketball. I'm out here tripping. These pants over here are $28, and they're very nice. A regular fit. I'm seeing sizes all the way to 42-30, all the way down to a 28-30. Very nice fit, super light, and they're a little heavy, but they're actually pretty light. Could be a nice dress pant. You can get away with that. I can see that, but I'll go ahead and link this. We have these Reebok athletic shirts and tops. These are very nice, a dry fit type of quality, but it's not dry fit. I will let you know it's not. I'm pretty sure of that. Yeah, but it is a slim fit, not dry fit, but it has that type of feeling to it. I guess moisture management or moisture control. I could see it like drying up pretty quickly. But these are some very nice designs, very nice feel to them. I like that. I like the striped type of heather type of feel to it. I like that. What would you call that? Anyway, we have black, taupe, green, and this nice like dark grayish blue. I like that. Very nice. $14. I'll go ahead and link that. I'm also seeing some other athletic work sweatpants over here for $12.98. I'll go ahead and make sure I link. These feel a little thicker than these ones that are the 11, but they are equally as nice. I do like that. These ends are a little cuffed, and these ones are as well. I don't really see the difference, to be honest with you. I guess that's why I sound a little confused, because I don't really see the difference, but there is one. Well, I do. These ones are softer, the $11 ones. Confusing, but I'll go ahead and I'll link both of them actually for you. These are like a dry works jogger type pants for $11.98. I'll go ahead and link these. These feel pretty nice. They're really soft, like a pajama style, and the ends of them are cuffed. I'm seeing dark blue like this, as well as this nice heather gray. These are very nice. Again, I'll go ahead and have it linked for you. We have the Athletic Works sweatpants for $12.98. These look pretty nice as well. I don't know if this is supposed to be over here, but this is nice. No, that's Snoop Dogg. What is this? We have here the Athletic Works t-shirts that are $8.98. They have tons of different colors here. We have the construction worker yellow and the orange over here. But yeah, they also have some nice purples. This is a nice little soft lavender color, blacks and whites. Let's see, it says moisture wickening. It does feel pretty nice. It's very lightweight. I don't see that it's super see-through. I like it though. Go ahead and link that for you. It's $8.98. They also have a couple more colors over here. I don't know why they have this shiny. Why is this glittery? This is for a man. Why is this glittery? But yeah, I'll go ahead and link these. We have these Reebok sweatshirts and hoodies here at Walmart. These are $32. We have this nice, beautiful light heather gray. It's a really nice, comfortable type of fit. I will say that the ends of the arms are not cuffed. If that's not a problem for you, then yeah. It doesn't have any type of fluffiness in the inside, but it is nice and lightweight. It is heavy, but it's lightweight enough for you to go outside on a breezy day. They also have this blue one here. It's a light baby blue. I do see a taupe and a black, so I'll go ahead and link that as well. These Reebok athletic pants are a slim fit. These are really nice. I'm seeing 2X all the way down to a small. Very cute with the black stripe on the back for the pocket. They also have this nice light blue, and this is $32. Again, from Reebok athletic pants. I'll go ahead and link this. Over here we have the men's Reebok. These are the sweatpants, and these are $24. Very nice, as you see. They do feel really nice. Very nice and thick. I like how the end is cuffed like this. That's very nice. Reebok, y'all. When's the last time you wore some Reebok? Let me know. I would definitely get these for my husband. This waistband is very nice and tight. I like that. And again, very soft in the inside. It has a drawstring as well. I like this. Very nice with the pockets on the side that have the zipper. And again, this is $24. I'll go ahead and link it. We have different colors. This is the black. We have gray, like a heather gray, as well as, I don't know, is this taupe? Maybe taupe and like a navy blue. I'll go ahead and link this, $24. So we have some Reebok. Oh, this heather gray right here is really nice. This is in a size small, again for $24. I'll go ahead and link this as well. Very nice. They also have this dark blue. I'm not too sure what kind of color that is. Let me know in the comments. More holiday inspired sweaters here from Free Assembly at Walmart. This one is really nice, a very nice weight to it as well. Go ahead and link this for you. I just thought it was really nice and it feels good. Yeah, the super cute Christmas style sweater from Free Assembly is $24. I'll go ahead and make sure I link this. It's very nice, not too heavy at all, not see-through of course, but it has a beautiful design. It's really nice in person and the arms are cuffed. I'll go ahead and make sure I link that for you. Here at Walmart, we have tons of Hanes men's sweatshirts and tons of jogger hoodies and things like that. And these are all $11.98. So I'll go ahead and link a couple different variations that you see directly on this video so that you can purchase in the comfort of your own home. Go ahead and build your man or the guys in your life some type of basket or gift basket situation using some of these. I also have a video showing you the athletic works here at Walmart. These are $10.98. Go ahead and check it out. We have these Reebok shorts over here, these athletic shorts. We have the 9-inch inseams, very nice and soft over here, as well as these ones in this green. We have the red and the green for the holidays, super cute. And these are $15. I'll go ahead and link it for you directly on this video. We have more of the Reebok sweatshirts and hoodies here at Walmart for $25. I'll go ahead and make sure that I link it directly on this video for you to purchase. This is the Reebok one. It's in black. This is very nice and thick. I love the thickness of it. I love the oversize of it as well. They have a brown one here, and this logo is right here on the side instead of so bold in the front. On the back, there is no design. I'm also seeing this color over here in this heather gray. Very nice and soft in the inside, as you can see, as well as this blue. Very nice. I'll go ahead and link it for you. Here's another Christmas sweater here in the men's section at Walmart, $22.98. You can put your drink in the pouch. Okay, like a little milk carton or something maybe. That's super cute. It's just a milk with some glasses all blinged out like that. And then on the back, it just has a regular design. Super cute. Again, $22.98. I'll link it for you. We have this Lilo and Stitch Christmas sweater here in the men's section at Walmart. It's $22.98. Super nice and cute. It is a little bit see-through, but I call that breathable with these type of things. Of course, put something on underneath it. It's super adorable. Nothing on the back with like a snowflake type of situation on the sleeves. I'll go ahead and link this. Again, $22.98. We have this super cute men's Christmas sweater for $22.98 here at Walmart. We have some reindeers just kicking it back, having a good old time. And it says you can put your drink in the pouch, which would be in here. That's super cute. His shirt says up to snow good. I know that's right. It's super cute. And the back has nothing, so focus your attention on the front. It's super nice. I'll go ahead and link this, $22.98. We have this super cute Christmas sweater here from Walmart. It's $22.98. You can put your drink inside of its like little pouch. So adorable. This is here in the men's section, but ladies, you might be able to get away with it. I'll go ahead and link it for you. We have a couple of Christmas sweaters here in the men's section. This one is the Grinch and Naughty one. It's not see-through at all, but it is pretty lightweight. I would definitely come check these out. We have super adorable men's Christmas sweaters from holiday time here at Walmart. This is $22.98, and you can put your drink inside of the pouches, I'm guessing, in the front, but this is Santa Claus. It has a little bit of 3D elements on it, and on the back there's nothing on it but just the typical design with some gingerbreads and a house, and not a house, but a gingerbread and a tree and stuff like that. I'll go ahead and make sure I link this. Again, this is $22.98. We have a Nightmare Before Christmas type of Christmas sweater here at Walmart. These are $22.98. I'll go ahead and link it directly on this video for you. Super cute. The back doesn't have anything. I'm seeing sizes from extra large to extra large. Again, I'll link this for you.